can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang.
So, remember our theme here, right? There are exceptions which you can use in time of crisis, right? One, two, paragraph. Eh? That is via those ones. Tell about your journey from here. Maybe people just laugh at you the whole day. My Africanness.
Guys, I was chased from the spot where I was sitting. So now I'm in the library. I don't even know where to go. I'm looking for a spot to sit, and there are people everywhere, son. I'm so nervous, and I keep walking past people. They're probably like, what is this girl doing? Like, what does she want? Anyway, guys, let's be on the hunt for a spot. People are staring by.
Collateral. Now you're saying that as additional security. Okay? So the operative voice is additional security. Money.
Okay guys, I know that the quality of this video is not nice, but you know what? The first verse of a song always gets me The waters we parted, and the ways that I've walked, sick and cold, my God did not fail. Oh, that's the story I'll tell. Okay, I'm gonna cry alone now, bye. Listen, I thought, okay, the first verse is obviously it gets cheap, but let's listen to the second one, okay? I promise I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I've been crying by myself. If I cry, I'm gonna stop this video, because why am I crying? I'm a grown-ass woman, okay? Okay, listen to this. Believing gets hard, yeah, when options are few. When I can't see what you're doing, I know that you're proving you're the God who comes through. Oh, but I know that over the years, I'll look back on this moment and see your hand on it and know you were here. How you were my portion when there wasn't enough. My God did not fail. That's the story I'll tell. He's singing, That is the time. It's 21:36. I'm only starting to edit it now. By 12, this video is going to be up before 12. Hey guys, it is 21:35. I'm only starting to edit this video right now. This video is supposed to be up on the 17th. I was supposed to actually do a sit down video, but I'm having a very hectic day. I haven't eaten. Yeah, that would be my lunch, breakfast, dinner. Anyway, it's 21:36 right now. I'm gonna edit this video before 10. I'll be done with editing this part and then editing the befores and then afters, and then I'm exporting it. This video is going to be up before 12, I promise you. Let me show you the time. I feel like a low student now. And know you were
Stamp on it. In a private plane, I learned. Lily